Manifest your desires without any barrier, whether it is for starting a new business or lots of money. If you incorporate these habits into your daily routine, then you can easily attract anything you desire in life. The desires may be wealth, good health, job promotion, or your dream vacation. You can attract any of it just by using these simple techniques and adding these minor changes to your daily routine. I know many of you are skeptical and thinking about how anyone could just attract every desire just by using a simple technique. To attract wealth, attract money, one must work very hard, and money is not easy to gain. But believe me, I can assure you that after watching this video, you will never have a problem with money. I have done this, and the result I have gained over the past few years is uncanny. And now is the time to finally reveal the truth with you guys. So, embrace yourself in this impeccable journey through the law of attraction. Now listen very carefully to the concept that I am about to share with you, a step-by-step guide to manifest anything in life. The human mind is the most powerful mechanism in the universe. To master and control the human brain for it to work to your benefit can bring you an early advantage in life. As Deepak Chopra says, when you learn these steps and their application in real life, you will even manifest 10 times faster. Every individual is different, and all of them have different dreams and different desires that they want to be fulfilled. So how come this simple technique works for all of them according to their requirements? And the answer is as simple as it sounds. Yes, the same techniques work the same for all. Although in between you may feel as though you are missing something to make it work for you, the most important and the top factor that everyone gets stuck at is they do not know every vital step to manifest and co-create with the universe. You are the co-creator of your life. You are the one and only who can shape your life the way you desire. However, up until now, you have manifested your life without knowing. Yes, you are responsible for the life or the situation you are at in this very moment. Every move, every situation, and every person around you is the result of your manifestation. Now the time is over. From today we are going to create the reality that we desire. The reality where we are successful, happy and abundant. A free will of desires. Knowing that you can desire anything is very freeing, but can also be confusing. Now you're spoiled for choice. How do you know what is correct for you? When you are manifesting your dreams and desires, you must be particular and know exactly what you want in your life. Close your eyes, relax, and move your attention to the middle of your chest, where your heart is located. What do I truly want? What does my soul long for? Before simply listening, try to listen to the message from your heart without passing judgment or evaluating it. Do I desire this? Ask yourself, what you want, and do all of your desires benefit you the way you have imagined? The crucial step is to choose your desires. So really get in touch with the intention. Think that you will get what you ask for. Now that you have decided what you want in life, get rid of the limiting beliefs and think about the procedure of your manifestation, how it is going and how you are achieving it. When I say achieving, do not get confused. You are not going to work for your desires to be true. I meant to prepare yourself for receiving the blessings that are along your way. Yes, when you become clear and set your intention, you are demanding the universe to work for you, and only you will attract the desires. And remember that we are not chasing our dreams and desires. We are attracting it. Now detach from the outcome. Do not keep opening the same chapter again and again. The only thing you are doing is setting your clear intention and letting the universe work for you and get you your desires in the form of a blessing. When we keep on digging and questioning when our dreams will be fulfilled or how far we have come, we keep sabotaging our dreams. So detachment from the outcome is necessary. If you remain attached to the outcome of a desire, you limit the possibilities to one outcome. Detaching is like saying, this is what I think I want, but if there's something better, please send that along instead. The Vedas say, desiring for the fruit of an action implies a lack of faith in the divine's willingness to give all. Let the universe work for you, and the universe knows you better than you know yourself. Trust the process and higher left that it will bring you the best of the best. More than you have desired. You will receive what you deserve. And we all deserve happiness, abundance in success. Show gratitude and be patient. Everything will fall into place. Trust and allow the universe to unfold its perfection. You can use affirmations and positive self-talk every day. But remember, when you use affirmations, never affirm in the future tense. The best thing to do is always affirm in the present tense and avoid using a pleading tone while using an affirmation. Pleading tones such as "Please God, grant me this promotion. Please, universe. Please, please, please. Give me a lot of money or I will be wealthy." When you do so, you will be praying from the state of lack, and according to the law of attraction, we attract what we think of. So the feeling of lack will always attract the lack of something. And make sure you avoid a pleading tone and future tense affirmations. Repeat your daily affirmations like "I am blessed. I am successful. The universe loves me. I am a money magnet." Show gratitude and never neglect your gut. Be grateful for what the universe has given to you up to today and what is along the way. Always show respect to the universe. Trust the process and the universe will believe in you as well. Always listen to what your heart says. The intuition you get is how the universe talks to you. Intuition is the only way the universe communicates to you. So, believe in what you feel rather than what you think. Do not just assume something you want may not work because some outsider just came and said that it may not work. Let me give you guys a heads up that there will always be people who will say that life is hard. The only way to happiness is hard work and sacrifices. You cannot do it, or it's too difficult for you, and so on. Never listen to those limiting beliefs. Accept that the universe knows best and recognize that sometimes it has greater plans for you. If you want to stop all those limiting beliefs, you can practice meditation. It is one of the best ways to clear and calm your mind and directly connect to your subconscious. Meditation allows you to transcend or go beyond thoughts. It gives you access to a field of infinite possibilities. Through regular meditation practice, you can begin to step out of limitations so that you can desire and obtain the life you truly deserve. Embrace the daily gifts of abundance that unfold before your eyes. Your loftiest dream is to effortlessly bring every desire to life. Now, the key to this grand transformation lies in ascending to higher states of consciousness, where you are in perfect sync with the laws of nature. In this elevated state, the need for desire evaporates, for everything you could ever wish for materializes before you precisely when and where you need it. Once you've pinpointed your heart's desires, hold on to them with unwavering determination and let the cosmic gears of the universe start turning on your behalf. So, when your intentions are crystal clear, the universe can spring into action without a shred of uncertainty or hesitation, becoming your unwavering ally in the grand journey of manifestation. God will bless you abundantly if you live in harmony with the natural world. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Thank you, and God bless you.